Okay, so Gurgav, let me thank you for giving your time to me for the interaction today.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, Gurgav, you are the second girl I am interviewing now who got selected in prestigious IEOR department. Last week I interviewed Simran, you must be knowing, and now I'm going to interview you also. You also got selected in a PhD program of IIT Bombay, IEOR, one of the best course and one of the best institute in India. And you are also production engineer, and
Yes,
you are NIT
yes,
Jalandhar graduate, and that is all I know about you. But I want a
yes.
very brief introduction from your side, Gurkirat. Tell us something about you before we move forward.
Sir, I am Gurkirat and I am presently in my final year in NIT Jalandhar. I am pursuing my BTech in Industrial and Production Engineering, as you said. And I have cracked my gate in my final year with a gate score of 726 and a gate rank of 37.
So your All India rank is 36 in production engineering, right?
37.
37.
37.
Okay.
Yes.
So Gurkirat, tell me one thing. Like you are NIT graduate, and you got this a prestigious institute, and
Yes.
you are got 37 All India rank in production. I'm very sure you will be getting many masters programs like MTech and MS.
Yes, sir.
So why you decided to go for PhD, which normally students do not prefer? Though I keep on asking them, telling them to prefer PhD, but they prefer MS MTech. So why you preferred PhD?
Sir, actually, from the start only, when I decided to prepare for GATE, I had a dream that I have to go in academics. Like I wanted to become a professor. I had very clear vision in my mind that I want to become a professor. So after MTech also, I would do PhD only. So I thought, why not direct?
Okay.
After GATE only, I came to know that okay, IITs are providing direct PhD also. I had a GATE score. Like comparatively, I had a less GATE score, and I wanted to go in industrial. So with this GATE score in journal category, in top IITs, I won't be able to get industrial MTech. So I thought that why not prefer PhD? Like why not try for it?
Okay. I don't know. Maybe I think what I understand is had you tried in NITI Bombay, you would have got call because all girls more than 700 gate score were allowed in NITI Bombay. Did you try for
No,
that?
but I was interested in technical, so
Okay.
I
Okay.
wanted to become a professor. So I thought
Yeah.
NITI would not be a good option.
Okay. So though it is little personal, but why Gurkrit? Why professor? Why teacher?
So the same question was asked by me, like to me in the interview by the professors of
Hmm.
IIT Bombay. So I answered that, being a teacher, you always learn and you continuously learn. When you teach students, also you continuously get to learn. So I had a dream from childhood only that I want to become a teacher. I want to become a professor, and I was very clear that I'll become a professor.
Okay. Great.
Although I had an option of placements also because I'm
I
an
know.
NIT graduate, so I
Hmm.
had options of placement, but I
Hmm.
thought that I'll become a
That's great. That's great. So, Gurgrit, now let me tell you from my own experience also, it is one of the best profession if you can
yes,
go.
sir.
And we need people, bright mind, bright people who voluntarily, who out of interest, out of their by basically choice, not by chance, but by choice, join
Yes, sir.
teaching as a profession. Because if the best mind goes into teaching, you understand, they deal with the human resource, and you
Yes,
can produce very good students, and they further can be very good technocrats. So that is a
yes,
really
sir.
good decision, and I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Now I come to second part, Gurkrit. Since you decided that you want to be in academics and research, so I'm sure you must have planned it that I'll go for higher education in industrial engineering. So
Yes.
what was your project? Did you do something related to your BTech project related to this industrial engineering? So what was your
Yes, sir.
project? Yeah.
Sir, actually, I worked on Kano model, and I tried to apply Kano model in the institute,
Okay.
and I gave suggestions to the institute management regarding, like, by my conclusions of the
Mhm.
Kano model, I uh, means what improvement can be done on
Mhm.
that basis. I
Mhm.
suggested them, and the
Okay.
management also considered that suggestions.
Mhm.
They
Okay.
found it
So
to be very useful. Being an
okay.
industrial engineer, I thought that I can give my institute something, like from my what I've studied during my BTech course. So I can give them something like a useful suggestion as a student. Being a student, I suggested them that this changes could be made.
That's true. Great. So now, Gurpreet, I know that once when you must have gone, when you appear for the interview in PhD, they ask you one question very frequently, and I'm very sure they must have asked from this question to you also. That which area would you like to work? Which research area would you like to work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what was the research area you identified for yourself?
Sir, optimization.
Optimization.
Yes.
But that looks like a general term. Optimization of what?
Yes, sir. I also like transportation and supply chain and logistic. I just said 2 or 3 areas that I was
Okay.
interested to go in because I studied them during my BTech course.
Mhm.
So I identified 2 to 3 areas, and they asked me questions regarding to that.
Okay. So
Yes.
Gurpreet, that was my second part of interaction, and that was related to your detail. If you can give us some details about your interview when you had your interview in IIT Bombay, how many professors were there, and what did they ask you, and when did you realize, or did you realize at all that they may take you? Because in the interview, some kind of hint is there that okay, we will take you, or you will be selected. So how was your interview?
Sir, my interview was a great experience, and I realized that they are basically not checking my knowledge wholly. They are checking my keenness to learn.
Okay.
Like they don't want a person who is having full knowledge. If you have less knowledge, but you are keen to learn something,
Mhm.
you are like able to learn new things that come in your way, so they'll take you. If you show
Mhm.
them that attitude, they check your attitude basically. On the very first place, they check your attitude towards learning. If
Mhm.
something I don't know something, but I am keen to learn, okay,
Mhm.
sir, I'll work on that. I'll learn. So
Mhm.
they'll be impressed by that thing.
So
Uh,
if I say that 10 question did they asked you, how many you answered and how many you could not answer at all?
uh, Sir, actually, I was able to 10 questions they asked, and I was able to answer 8 questions. Like to the max 8 questions, I was able to answer completely.
Okay,
And
so
one
you
or two question I was not able to
so
like. So
did
I
did, did they ask you question related to your BTech subjects or your BTech project or a research proposal? What did they ask? Which type of
the
questions?
they asked answer questions. The questions were above gate level, and they asked in optimization, also in linear programming. They asked questions regarding transportation
Mhm.
and big M method, simplex method. They
Okay.
wanted to basically check the concept, how much clear I am conceptually, how much clear I am, and because I am a final year student, so they wanted to check that how much conceptually I am sound, like
Mhm.
and how much
Okay.
I've tried to learn in my BTech also.
One question many students are being asked in the interview, and that is after BTech, why you want to go for direct PhD? Why not MTech? That question very frequently they are asking. I
Sir,
don't know
they
whether they
asked
asked
me
you.
also.
Okay.
They
So,
asked me also.
what is the
Uh,
perfect answer for that?
Sir, I answered them my own answer, like what I felt.
Mhm.
That sir, I had a clear vision that I want to become a professor,
Mhm.
and I want to pursue PhD. After MTech also, I will pursue my PhD only. So
Mhm.
why not direct? And this is a long term, so I can explore myself completely. And
Mhm.
if I want to do postdoctorate fellowship in abroad also, so I can do. And after that, I can join as a faculty. So
Okay, great.
I'm sure they were actually seeing that I had a decent gate score. So am I sure about the PhD, or is it just an option for me? They were basically trying to check that
Mhm.
because people are not sure about PhD.
Yes, that's true.
They treat it as an option, or they are not really sure. They think that okay, if I get some good option in MTech, I'll go for that first. So for me, it was like I was sure that okay, I have to do PhD.
So, do you think they were convinced with your answer?
Yes, sir, they were complete.
Acha, when you said that, sir, I want to become teacher, and you are NIT graduate, and I'm very sure you are looking forward for becoming teacher in very reputed institutes like NIT or maybe IITs
Yes.
and all. So, did they ask you where you want to become teacher? That question they asked you?
No, they asked that why teacher only and why not any other profession? Like
Mhm.
why teacher? You
Mhm.
can go for some job, you can
Mhm.
explore the industry first. Why
Mhm.
teacher? Why are you so sure about that profession?
Mhm. So, what was the answer?
Sir, I said that, sir, from the third year when I started preparing for GATE, I
Mhm.
had that thing only in mind that
Mhm.
I now also I have job options, but I am not going into that because it will hamper my further studies. I
Mhm.
want to continue my studies and I want to go in academics only. I'm very sure. So I
Acha,
said that.
Gurkrit, through your this interaction, I want to send this message to students. Many students
Yes,
must be watching this interaction. So
yes,
I want to tell that see, it is not that which profession is best. Actually, you should pursue the profession which matches your temperament and interest.
yes, sir. Exactly.
But the trouble is like those students, students like you who have interest in teaching, or they naturally like that, they also under pressure of peer groups, peer pressure, they tend to deviate. They say, okay yaar, PhD kar raha hai, itna padhna padega, so let's go to industry, tera job nahi laga. Under that pressure they quit. So that is something which is a
Sir,
main
the
trouble actually.
same thing. Sir, I faced the same thing, so I can talk about that like very clearly. I can talk about this thing because during my college time also, I had a temperament of studying extra than I was taught. Like I used to refer to foreign authors. I used to study some research papers also. So everyone used to mock me like, "Itna क्यों पढ़ना है? You don't score much." And I was an average normal student. Like I used to score normal marks and sometimes less also in college in the papers, like in the semester exams. So everyone used to laugh that इतना पढ़ के कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है. You don't gain anything. But that time I didn't realize that I am gaining all the knowledge and it will like end up to me like this. So I just want to say that you need to learn. You need to have that temperament that I'll learn anyway. I
And as
get the
you
marks or not, I'll learn.
you should enjoy the learning. Don't bother about the
Yes,
marks, just
yes,
enjoy the learning. And
completely.
learning is a lifelong process.
Yes, sir.
आई डोंट नो कि गुरकीत तुम सच में ये बातें बोल रही हो कि तुम वैसे बना रही हो, लेकिन दे आर वेरी गुड एक्चुअली, व्हाट एवर यू आर सेइंग, दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी गुड. इफ यू मीन इट,
Sir,
दिस अ
मेरी
मैसेज.
लाइफ की स्टोरी ही है सर. It's like
ओके,
I have felt and I just faced that
ग्रेट,
during my whole college life. I have faced.
ग्रेट.
Everyone used to say कि नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, गेट छोड़ दो, गेट तो हो ही नहीं सकता तुमसे, mindset चाहिए गेट के लिए.
ओके,
I had a constant thing that नहीं होगा मुझसे नहीं होगा. But during lockdown when I came, I started from scratch. क्या मुझे
ओके,
करना है. So, yes,
ग्रेट. Okay, Gurkrit, now I come to my next question.
yes,
I am very sure if you have this credential 37 All India rank in your GATE score, this GATE rank, so you must have applied in many other institutes also other than IEOR, and you must have got calls also from other departments. So can you please tell from where else you got the call for interview or something?
sir. Actually, by direct PhD, I came to know at the end only when the deadline was near. So I
Okay,
only just filled one institute, IIT
okay,
Bombay and IEOR, because
great.
I was interested in operations only. I
Okay,
didn't want to go that management side. Like in
okay,
Kanpur, we have IME, Industrial and Management. In
yes,
IIT Madras also, we have Department of
Department of
Management
Management.
Studies.
Mhm.
So I just wanted to go for IEOR only.
Okay,
And yes, sir. So I just filled only one institute and one
and that
company.
you got it. Great, great.
Yes, yes,
Okay, Gurkrit, now tell me, normally when you go for interview in PhD, you see
yes,
the
sir.
profile of the professors and you identify that I would like to work under the guidance of this
Yes, sir.
professor. So you had decided that before you went to interview, you were knowing that I would like to work under these two, three
Yes, sir. I
professors.
checked. Yes, sir. I checked all the professors and their profile and currently on which research area they are working. So yes, sir. I just checked
Okay,
that.
great.
Yes,
And Gurpreet, you also mentioned about postdoctorate fellowship just now
yes, sir.
during interaction.
Yes, sir.
What idea you have about that? Any idea about that?
Sir, sir, I heard my senior said that you after getting a prestigious college and PhD, after that you can pursue like your research fellowship abroad, and you can work as a research scholar also abroad.
Yes, true, true.
And in IIT Bombay also, I have seen the profiles of the faculty. They were research scholars abroad,
Mm.
and you gain experience, and then you can apply it in the industry also, and you can apply it to the academics also.
Mm.
And the postdoctorate fellowship is very useful because in abroad you get more exposure to learn also.
Mm.
So yes, sir.
Okay, great. Acha, Gurpreet, now you have been student. Now you want to become teacher also in future.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of teacher would you like to become? If I ask you straight, what
What
kind of
kind?
teacher? What kind of teacher means what changes would you like to bring in your teaching? The way you have seen other teachers also teaching. So how do you think teaching should be there in premium institutes like IITs and NITs?
Yes, so the same thing I suggested to my institute management and to my professors also. I suggested this that in online also I have means the teaching should not be like you are forcing someone that you need to study only. The person should take interest by themselves. You need to just you means the students must take interest by themselves. You need to teach in such a way. Your teaching should be such a way in a way like people are listening to you by themselves. Means the knowledge should be imparted in a more innovative manner. We can impart the same piece of content could be imparted in an innovative manner.
Okay.
And yes, the focus can also be on GDs, like group discussions. You can give a topic like on which you are and you need to say okay, so you can say the student that you need to read, and the next day we'll have a GD on that topic, so they'll learn also and they'll learn to communicate also. Because in premium institutes also I have seen that students are not eager to communicate with the teachers. The interaction is very less between the professor and the student. So the professor and the student interaction should be encouraged. Like
Now to summarize what you said, I think you want the teaching should be two-way process. It should be
yes, sir.
interactive process.
Yes, sir.
You should not
Okay.
only be like one way, only
Yes, sir.
information flow. You said that yes, it should be group discussion type of thing, interactive type
Yes.
kind of thing, and you should make students also let come with the queries, let come with the questions, and
Yes.
then it should be made. It should be made more interesting process, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, Gurkrit, now I come to my last question for you for the
Yes.
interaction, and that is, this your video. Many students will be listening. Thousands
Yes.
of students will be listening to this. Any message you want to give? Since you are in final year only, so maximum students will identify themselves with you. Any
Yes.
message you want to give, like how to prepare and how to proceed forward? So, any message you want to give them?
So the first message I have that you must trust the process. God always has a better plan. If something doesn't work out, like I was disheartened by my GATE score, but I didn't know that something better is coming my way. So always trust the process. And the second thing is be consistent in your learning. Always work on honest efforts. You must work honestly. You must work consistently. You must learn, and you will always get the result. Definitely.
Great.
So, yes.
So, Gurkrit, thanks a lot once again for giving
Yes.
your time to me today. And
Yes.
when this video will be uploaded on YouTube, students may be having some queries. So please
Yes.
try to spare some time and
Sure,
answer their
sir.
queries which they
Yes, sir.
have from your side. Fine, Gurkrit?
Yes, sir.
All the very
Yes.
best for your PhD.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you.